Etteplan test laboratory has grown a lot since the past years, and our growth rate has been tens of % every year. Therefore, our facilities need to be enhanced and we need to have more space for new projects. Therefore, we invested heavily to this Aholaita new testing laboratory. Our capabilities are in EMC and RF testing, product safety testing, and also all kind of environmental condition testing. Nowadays, we have a way better capabilities to test high power electronics, and still we have the same capability to test embedded solutions, radio products, all kind of devices that the industry is developing. Our customer satisfaction has been excellent. Most of our customers have given us excellent grades on customer satisfaction surveys, and that's the way we want it to be also in the future.